Troubling signs loom for the BJP in western Uttar Pradesh, with less than 10 days remaining for the first phase of Lok Sabha elections. Traditionally, a stronghold for the Saffron party due to consolidated Hindu vote, the region is now witnessing rapid shifts in allegiance. Dominant castes such as the Rajputs are openly expressing dissent and calling for boycotts of the BJP. The Rajputs, constituting nearly 10% of the population in western Uttar Pradesh, had a Mahapanchayat in Saharanpur on April 7, causing concern within the BJP. Their grievances include perceived neglect by the party, highlighted by the allocation of fewer Lok Sabha tickets despite their large presence. Hello and welcome, this is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In recent decision to replace General retired VK Singh with Kumar Garg in Ghaziabad further fueled discontent among the Rajputs, as it left a significant portion of electorate with only one party ticket in Muradabad. Similar sentiments are echoed by other communities like the Tyagis and Sainis, who are organizing panchayats in protest against BJP. The constituency-wise vote share will not go in BJP's favor if their vote is divided among the caste lines. Reports say intricate caste equation in western Uttar Pradesh will cause trouble for the BJP in upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Let's discuss all the constituencies wisely. Saharanpur. In Saharanpur, the Bahujan Samaj Party (BSP) has nominated Majid Ali, hailing from the Muslim Gada community, as their candidate. Meanwhile, the opposition India Bloc has put forward Imran Masood, who has been actively engaging with the discontented Rajput community recently. Raghav Lakhanpal, representing the BJP and belonging to Sharma Brahmin community, is set to contest the third consecutive time. A recent rally held by the Rajput community on April 7 in Saharanpur has spurred discussions on potential caste-based political alliance in the western Uttar Pradesh. Masood's interaction with the local Rajput leaders have prompted other parties to compete for the communities as support as well. Thakur Puran Singh, a prominent Rajput figure critical of the BJP, expressed grievances, stating the party has neglected the Rajput community by distorting their history, denying equal rights to the economically weaker sections category and providing insufficient representation in the Lok Sabha. Singh emphasized the community's determination to retaliate against the BJP. Singh further remarked that Rajput community, despite comprising 10% of vote share in western UP, feels marginalized by the BJP's limited allocation of tickets. He asserted that community would now prioritize supporting candidates capable of defeating BJP, highlighting their disillusionment with traditional loyalties as reported by India Today. Muzaffarnagar. In the upcoming elections, the BJP has nominated the incumbent Sanjeev Balian, despite facing sustained protest within the constituency. Opposition contenders include Harendra Malik from the Samajwadi Party and Vedpal Prajapati from the Bahujan Samaj Party. Community leaders from the Tyagi, Rajput, Saini and Kashyap community expressed discontent over the BJP's candidate selection process, citing a lack of representation. Despite having a sizable population, Tyagi, Rajput, Saini and Kashyap community leaders say that they are not getting election tickets from the BJP. They accuse Balian of favouring particular community while neglecting others. Mane Ram Tyagi, president of Akhil Bharatiya Brahman Bhumihar Mahasabha, highlights significant population of the Tyagi community in western UP and criticized BJP for overlooking them in previous elections. Tyagi warns that if equitable representation isn't provided, the consequences will be severe. Kairana. In Kairana, the BJP has nominated the incumbent Pradeep Chaudhary from Gujar community. Meanwhile, the Bahujan Samaj Party has put forward Shripal Rana, representing the Rajput community, and the Samajwadi Party has chosen Ikra Hassan as their candidate. However, discontent is brewing among the Kashyap, Saini, Jat and Rajput communities, all of whom have been advocating for fair representation in either state assembly or parliament. Despite their demands, the BJP has maintained its decision to field candidates from the Gujar community. The Saini community, prominent in the parts of western UP, has expressed disappointment over the lack of representation in this constituency. The Rajput community, particularly aggrieved by the perceived partial and controversial role of Pradeep Chaudhary and Nakud MLA Mukesh Chaudhary during the Mihir Bhoj controversy, remains dissatisfied. Similarly, the Kashyap community, which holds a significant sway in the Nakud assembly area, feels marginalized by the party's decision-making across western UP. Rajput discontent escalated further after the defeat of only Rajput MLA Suresh Rana in the last assembly election in Thana Bhavan. Despite frequent appeals, the Saini community's efforts to secure assembly tickets from Nakur, Gango and Thana Bhavan have been unsuccessful, leading to frustration among their ranks regarding the lack of representation in Western UP. Meerut. In Meerut, the BJP has selected Arun Govil, famous for his role in Ramayana TV series, as their candidate. Govil hails from the Khatri Punjabi community. Meanwhile, the Samajwadi Party has nominated Sunita Verma from the OBC community, and Bahujan Party has put forward Devrat Tyagi from the Tyagi community. The replacement of the incumbent MP with Govil by the BJP has intensified caste-based politics within the constituency. Opposition parties are actively attempting to attract voters from various communities. The Bahujan Samaj Party is focusing on garnering support from a coalition of Muslim, Dalit, Rajput and Tyagi communities, all of whom have expressed dissatisfaction with the BJP. Conversely, the Samajwadi Party is targeting traditional Muslim voters, while also reaching out to the OBC and other communities opposed by the BJP. Bijnor. In Bijnor, the Samajwadi Party has nominated Deepak Saini from the Saini community, and the Rashtriya Lok Dal, an ally of BJP, has put forward Chandan Chauhan from the Gujar community. Meanwhile, the Bahujan Samaj Party has chosen Chaudhry Birendra Singh as their candidate, representing the Jat community. Expressing their sentiments of Saini community, Ompal Saini, the president of Akhil Bharatiya Saini Mahasabha, highlighted community's traditional allegiance to the BJP. However, due to persistent lack of representation, they are now exploring alternative options. Saini emphasized community's significance on presence of certain Lok Sabha seats. Amroha. In Amroha, the Congress has nominated Kunwar Danish Ali, who recently joined the party after being expelled from the Bahujan Samaj Party. The BJP has chosen to repeat Kanwar Singh Tanwar from Gujar community, despite his loss to Danish Ali in the previous election. The Bahujan Samaj Party has put forward Mujahid Hussain as their candidate. The BJP is strategically targeting a consolidated Hindu vote, while the India bloc is focusing on attracting scheduled caste votes. Additionally, they are leveraging Danish Ali's Rajput ancestry to appeal the Rajput community. Nagina. In this reserved constituency, Dalit leader Chandrasekhar Azad is contesting under Azad Samaj Party. The Bahujan Samaj Party has nominated Surinder Pal, who faces tough competition from Azad. Pal is attempting to garner support from Muslims and Rajputs while also relying on the traditional scheduled caste vote. The BJP's candidate is Om Kumar, while the Samajwadi Party has chosen Manoj Kumar. Notably, this seat shifted from the BJP to Bahujan Samaj Party in the last elections. Do you think Western UP will be a challenge for the BJP in upcoming Lok Sabha elections? Do let us know in the comments. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app HW News Shorts.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.